Hello everyone, I am Pulkit and welcome back to my channel Biotech Mania. So today we are going to discuss about 5 facts you probably don't know about biotechnology. Unsure about biotechnology, there's a lot of misinformation out there. Although biotech can improve people's lives, it can be hard to get the facts. Here are the top 5 facts you probably don't know about the biotechnology. Number 1. Scientist agrees it's a safe. After hundreds of studies and decades of people safely eating biotech foods, scientists around the world says that they are just safe as product obtained through conventional agriculture. Here's what they say. According to WHO, there is no effects on human health. According to European Commission, not more risky than alternative technologies. According to Union of German Academics of Science and Humanities, the risk is in no way higher. On the contrary, in some food cases from GM plants appears to be superior in respect to health. Number 2, high profile skeptics are changing their minds. Popular scientist Bill Nye reversed his opposition to biotechnology, the process that creates genetically modified organisms, which is known as GMOs, and foods. So did Greenpeace co-founder Patrick Moore and Stephen Tyndall, the former head of Greenpeace UK. They are not the only ones. In a New York Times article titled "How I Got Converted to GMO Foods," British environmental activist Mark Lyons explained that he could no longer continue taking a pro-science position on the global warming and an anti-science position on GMOs. Number 3, it protects farm workers. Pesticide poisoning is a common where farm workers use backpacks to spray chemical pesticides. Workers in hot and humid climates sometimes avoid protective clothing. Biotech crops with a built-in ability to combat insect or disease can help by reducing pesticide use. Number 4, fewer fossil fuels needed. Less pesticide also mean fewer tractors to spray it. The fossil fuels saved means a low carbon emission, an estimated 2.1 billion kilogram less in 2013 alone. That's like having nearly a million fewer cars on the road. Number 5, it can help the fight global warming. When farmers plow their field to kill weeds, it disturbs the soil and can release carbon into the atmosphere. Biotech crops allow farmers to control weeds without plowing, leaving the carbon in the ground. An estimated 25.9 billion kilograms of carbon emissions is equal to 11.5 million cars worth were avoided in 2030 thanks to biotech.